Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add bio on CapCut. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open CapCut. Now go to your profile page on the bottom right corner. Here you can see tap to add bio option. Click on it. Type in your bio, and if you're done, click on confirm button. And that is how you can add bio on CapCut. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.